So good day everybody.
Hi.
Hi, Anya. Me. We are in Woolamai, which is a known place, but it is a start of the Basque Coast Rail Trail, and so we're starting from here going towards Anderson, Kilcunda, and then to Wonthaggi. So this video is about that. Come along. This is the lay of the land. We're just starting out of Woolamai towards Anderson. Pretty good track, nice and flat. Anya?
Nice and flat.
Nice and flat, we like that.
We do, I do.
So that thing over there is Western Port Bay, and the land on the other side of it is Phillip Island. So we made it to Kilcunda. Hello, Anu.
Hello, Shushu.
Time for lunch. So this is the Kilcunda Trestle Bridge. Place.
It's quite tall.
Yeah. Look at these remarkable rocks. They're quite remarkable. So smooth. Here we got a beautiful arch. Quite remarkable. We are now past Kilcunda and the Trestle Bridge, going towards Wonthaggi, just departing from the ocean. Yay! So we just are coming out of Wonthaggi, which I didn't film because it was pretty dead, not much to do on Sunday afternoon, and yeah, so we had a quick drink on our way back to Woolamai. Awesome trip so far, Anya.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Yep. We swapped bikes on the old pushy, and Anya's on a wonderful power machine. Swoosh, swoosh. So we're at the Shelley Beach. Highly recommended. I can't even see what's going on.
Me neither. Is it us or is it them?
Yeah, Shelley Beach. Let's go. Beautiful this is. This is nature imitating art. This is like Aboriginal art. Hello, little rabbit. Hello. You are little. Look at you. Oh, he's a baby. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, there's a plague of them here. You just saw about 50 of his brothers and sisters and cousins. Ah, fantastic. We're heading back to Woolamai after a lovely ride. We'll get there soon. And then kick back with some fish and chips for dinner. And so the trip ends. We've done about 50k, nearly 50k. We're back at the car. Everyone's happy. Not even that sore. Yeah, it was good fun. It was good fun. Gotta go. Bye.